You're watching PTV.
The last time we spoke with David Cataford, CEO of Champion Iron, he focused on the potential of his company's high-grade iron ore product to help decarbonize the steel industry. Well, that potential is becoming a reality.
Just in the past year and a half, we've seen the world completely change. We've seen over 100 contracts be signed for greener steel products. So very excited about what's happening in the market right now, and very happy that we have a unique product that can actually help that transition to decarbonize the steel industry.
The steel industry, which represents nearly 10% of global emissions, is in transition. High-grade iron ore is enabling a move away from coal-powered furnaces to cleaner electric arc furnaces, making it an extremely valuable commodity in the green steelmaking process.
The time required to bring a new high-grade mine into operation is between 10 to 14 years. So we fully benefit from that because we produce exclusively high-grade iron ore, and we've accumulated over the past 10 years billions and billions of tons of this high-grade type material in other projects surrounding our Bloom Lake operations to eventually bring more production into the market. This is why we're currently investing just about $500 million so that we can upgrade half of our tons, or 7.5 million tons, to 69%, which would be one of the highest grade materials in the world. When you're over 67.5%, you then qualify to be able to sell into these electric arc furnaces.
High-grade iron ore represents a niche market which commands premium pricing. This in turn helps to dampen the effects of a sometimes volatile industry. But that isn't the only benefit producing high-grade iron ore provides.
We had a clear disadvantage in the past of selling tons into the Chinese market. But as we get into this higher grade iron ore, we then start selling more into Europe, the Middle East, the US, and Canada. So these are all markets that are much closer to home. So you take one of our largest disadvantages from the past, and we're converting it to an advantage compared to the other iron ore suppliers in the world.
But the benefits don't stop there.
Canada has recently included high-grade iron ore on its list of critical minerals, which gives access to different funding, different potential government subsidies to be able to develop resources, access to infrastructure funds to be able to bring power to develop the ports. So it really positions us favorably to be able to access those types of funds.
In order to take advantage of the game-changing opportunity its high-grade resource provides, Champion recently completed a $700 million Phase 2 expansion at its Bloom Lake mine. Collectively, with expenditures by its prior owners, Bloom Lake now benefits from over $4.5 billion in investments, representing multiples of Champion's recent market valuation.
When you look at our ramp up and the expansion that we made at site, it brings us from roughly 7.5 million tons to 15 million tons. And we also have opportunities to debottleneck our own operations. So we should be able to run over 17 million tons per year.
Champion's Phase 2 expansion was funded entirely out of cash flow, and the company is in an excellent position to finance further growth as the opportunity generated by high-grade iron ore evolves.
We've got a unique product that is necessary to decarbonize the steel industry. We've got decades of resources that we've accumulated over the past years, and we've got a proven team to be able to deliver not only our current operations, but also potential expansions.
In addition to the momentum Champion Iron has created, it's completed the 2024 financial year with a robust balance sheet, enabling it to continue its capital return strategy with a 7th consecutive semi-annual dividend.